Poonam sarees of printed fabrics are special fabrics which is chiffon and weightless collections. Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I welcome you all to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I'm going to show you demanded daily wear collections from Poonam sarees of printed fabrics are special fabrics which is chiffon and weightless collections. So please watch this video, subscribe the channel, and you can purchase 24/7 online orders, India plus international. We are providing you services by manufacturers, clothing business. If you want to start under one roof, Kesaria Manufacturers giving you multiple varieties at factory price. So let's see the samples of printed Poonam saree, chiffon and weightless fabric. The beautiful catalog where you're watching here, the Brasu border pattern, which is the most demanded in the south, especially in Telugu, in Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka. These are Brasu border varieties of sarees of multi-tone shade. The same saree which you're watching here, the bottle green with the yellow color combination. And this is a color chart code called Tufan collections of the 8 color chart. This is tomato red color. This is grey color. This is navy blue color. This is dark coffee brownish color and magenta color. One more is yellow color. This is all beautiful color chart of the same saree with set to set where you can see the photocopy. So individual saree photocopies also you can purchase from Kesaria Manufacturers. Next pattern, if I talk about Suchitra as the code, this is a casual thin of the baby pinkish color with this code with the color combination color charts of the blue color and light cream color, lemon yellow color and dark peach color, pista green color and dark cream color and light subtle grey color. These all color charts with the same pattern where every design and patterns you can purchase from Kesaria Manufacturers set to set. If I talk about the next weightless pattern fabric, floral gardenery pattern view of this saree where weightless collections. This color chart, if I talk about the beautiful color shades of the baby pinkish with magenta color, pista color with mehendi color, dark grey color with dark pinkish color combination, peach color with dark pink color combination, dark pink color with tomato red color combination, light ocean blue color with rama green color combination, and light cream color with tomato red color combination. If I talk about last but not least color combination of design, which is thin leaf printed of the light subtle grey color with this navy blue, every shade you will find out the navy blue color chart. So this is the combination of Suchitra as the code. You can take down the screenshot. These color charts are with the grey color. Next color is a pista green color with navy blue, blue ocean blue with navy blue, lemon yellow with navy blue, dark pink with navy blue, dark peach with navy blue, light subtle cream color with navy blue and lavender with navy blue. Such exclusive collections of floral printed with bold thin printed multi varieties of designer Poonam sarees of chiffon fabric and weightless fabric are demanded at all over India. The Kesaria Manufacturers giving you factory cost which starts only from 100 rupees to 500 rupees. Multiple printed varieties of uncountable collections you can purchase from Manufacturers Kesaria, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, Kamila Darwaza Signal Point. You can find out the building from morning 9:30 to 8:30. Our shop is located and open where you can purchase under one roof multiple varieties of clothing business and you can start and tie up with Manufacturers Kesaria. So Kesaria Manufacturers will guide and support you with multiple language communication. There's no language barrier. You can come from international. Either we do have a Surat airport services where airport you can directly reach from 30 minutes. From Surat railway station you can reach just 10 minutes. So we do have a pickup drop facility services. Our executives are there and we do have a waiting office area which is opposite to Surat railway station, which is location point Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat railway station next to Ginger restaurant. So why are you waiting for? If you're really interested to start your outlet of clothing store business, investing depend on your own investment, either you're salaried or either you want to start your business, you are got retired, you have a financial support. you can tie up with Kesaria. You can watch our social media platforms, you can subscribe the channel, you can keep watching the websites and regular social media platforms. And I request this daily wear printed Poonam saree, if you liked it, keep supporting, and you can place an order by COD India plus international. 7 to 8 days you will receive your order sitting from your place in around India, and international sea services, cargo services we are providing you with safe and securely. So everything you'll purchase with color chart, with wholesale price, no single piece. We won't provide you single piece because we are a manufacturers, we are supporting you as a retailers for your business. So if you really like this video, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep watching. If you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video also I'll meet you with more collections with business information. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.